I got nothing to sit on. Much better. All right, well, hi guys. As you can see, I'm not working on the Mustang currently. I'm trying to finish up these bookshelves. I have parts on order, so that's cool. But of course, they're weather delayed in Texas. I did manage to get out and pick up some front brakes from a 2006 Mustang. I met a really cool guy yesterday who's got some classic Mustangs of his own, does some cool work. I'm hoping in the future maybe he would do an interview for us and we could see his cars. He's got two 66 coupes and a 69 fastback, and he's also in the process of building a I'm gonna get it wrong, a 40s coupe, two-door, real rounded car. He pulled the engine and all the electronics out of a 2006 V6 Mustang, and he fit that motor in there, and it looks like it belongs. It's a modern motor in an old car, but it really does look good. I was impressed. He does all his own work because he's got the same problem I do, and everything is super expensive. So hopefully in the near future, I will be able to talk with him some more and maybe get him on camera. If that sounds interesting to you, leave a comment. Let me know. He did the copper colored 66 coupe it's awesome. And he's got a green one he drives more frequently. And then the 69 is that baby blue, robin's egg blue, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, so let me know what you think about that. In the meantime, what else has been going on? I made a mess. Oh, I had to modify a countertop, an already finished countertop for my folks. And I built the firewood rack that still hasn't been painted. It's cold. I mean, I stained a shelf the other day out here, and I'm pretty sure the stain will be fine, but the polyurethane I put over top of it, I'm not totally convinced. So keep your eyes out in the near future for Mustang update video. I will show you the parts I ordered as soon as they come in, and we'll set those up with the ones I already have, and we'll talk about the front suspension plans for the Mustang, how it's all going to fit together. Alrighty, I hope everybody's having a good February. As always, thanks for stopping by the workshop. We'll see you next time. I think this looks pretty cool.